Hey everyone, welcome back to Ken and Coffee Espresso Machines. Here we have a La Pavoni Professional, one of my favorite machines, one of the most common machines we work on. And every time we get them, it's usually the same issue. These machines last a while, so on average we get one that an owner has had ranging anywhere between 12 and 25 years, sometimes more. But they're really efficient machines, really small, really compact, and they get the job done. But when it comes to a tune-up, which is what this one needed, it's just a matter of replacing gaskets, cleaning the thing up, tightening a loose base if it has one, just making sure that the machine runs properly. And that's what we did with this one. We replaced a lot of gaskets on the sight glass area, on the steam handle, even on the tank knob we replaced something, and a lot of work that went into doing the brew group. But as you can see, this unit is achieved proper pressure, so let's run a shot. And fill up the group head with water, and let's La Pavonis usually give you about 1 ounce worth of espresso, and this is a 2-ounce cup, which means we should get about halfway. There's good crema. I can see steam coming from here, which means it's reached proper temperature. And it just makes a really strong, really efficient shot. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this every day. Thanks.